I am so inspired by the ingenuity and the innovation that I've seen with how people can create community and togetherness during the pandemic and throughout this entire year. And this is one beautiful example of the way that Albuquerque is doing that and creating a magical holiday season for everybody.
It's incredible to look out and see Nob Hill coming to life. The other day I was leaving dance class and the sun had gone down, and I didn't realize that it was the starting day of this, and I walked out and the whole street was just alight with people walking around and the new installations, and it was fantastic. So I feel really lucky to be a part of it. Our installation, I feel like, captures exactly what Maple Street and Bosque Center for Spiritual Living are all about. This was a collaboration, a partnership. Maple Street Dance Space provides space to the community to come dance and connect, and Bosque Center for Spiritual Living is one of the people that comes into our space and connects on that creative level and on that sort of love level. So we thought it was a great idea to put the word love in the window. One, because it reflects who we are and our priorities, our commitments, our intentions. And two, it shines it out into the night, into this kind of special, precious holiday, and at a time when I feel like people can really appreciate being reminded of that simple truth.
It's tissue paper over chicken wire. So it was simple materials, but I think it created something really festive and celebratory and beautiful.
Right now there's Maple Street Dance Space is closed to the public for regular ongoing classes, obviously, but we still are offering space for personal practices and private lessons, but we're also offering online classes. So if you're at all interested in tuning in and trying out dancing in your living room, you can go to our website and find out ways that you can connect in that way.
Bosque Center for Spiritual Living is having online services and classes and activities. We're a spiritual community, and our whole purpose is to create togetherness and then figure out what we can create in that space of togetherness. So that's obviously been more challenging this past year, but we're doing a lot through our website and Vimeo, but you can visit bosquecsl.org to find out more about how to get engaged.
With so much love from Maple Street Dance Space and Bosque Center for Spiritual Living, my wishes for you are to have a holiday season filled with love.
Have a beautiful new year full of magic and music and wonder.